Hi friends, in this session we are going to deal with Standard 10 Mathematics Chapter 1 Relations and Functions. It is the very easiest chapter in 10th standard. Before going to deal with sums, we will see what are the topics which are going to cover in this lesson. Relations and functions. Before going to know about the relation, we need to know about what is it. Okay, what is a set? Do you have any ideas? Because we learned it in ninth standard now. Yes, set is a collection of well-defined objects. Then what is Cartesian product? Cartesian product. Cartesian product is nothing but a cross product of two sets. To define a relation as the subset of Cartesian product of set. So, to learn the relation, knowing the Cartesian product is important. Next thing is to understand function as a special function. We can divide the lesson as relation and function. So in second part, we are going to types of function. What are the types? How we are representing those function? Those things we are going to deal. So what are the types? In which way we are representing the function? In four ways. The first one is arrow diagram, a set of ordered pairs. Third one is in table formation and a rule or a graph method. An arrow diagram means by using the arrow symbol we can represent of a function. For the arrow diagram, just consider a two sets. Let we consider set A, this is set B. By representing arrow mark, we can declare the function. And next thing is a set of ordered pairs. So in a set bracket, we are representing the elements in a small bracket. That is called a closed bracket. So it should not be a null set. And the third one is table form, representing in tabulation as x and y. Fourth one is a rule or a graph method. It may be a linear. For the linear equation, we can draw one line. For the quadratic equation, we will represent as a curve. And for cubic equation, we will represent like this way. And for the
Now we have seen the overview of topic. We will see it in grassroots level.
introduction 1.1, in this, nothing is important except this line. That is, a set is a collection of well-defined object. Recall it again and again. A set is a collection of well-defined objects. Okay. After this, we will go to the ordered pair. What is ordered pair? Just imagine in your classroom where you are sitting. If you are sitting in first row as a second person, we can write as 1, 2. If you are sitting in a fifth row, third person, we can write it 5, 3 in a close bracket. We should always use a close bracket. Okay. Let's see the first illustration. Here, two sets are given. A is the set of 3 vegetables and B is the set of 4 fruits. So A has contained carrot, brinjal and lady's finger. B contains apple, orange, grapes and strawberry. Now we find what are the possible ways of choosing a vegetable with a fruit. We are finding a combination. How many combinations is possible here? Yes, 12 combination. We will find how to get a combination. First, we should take a carrot. So, carrot with apple is the first combination. The same carrot with orange. Likewise, carrot with the strawberry and grapes. Second element is brinjal. So, brinjal with A, O, G, S. Likewise, lady's finger also. So, totally 12 combination. How it can 3 cross 4 we will get as a 12 combinations. Okay. Friends, how do we get this 12 combination? Number of elements in A set is multiplied with number of elements in B set. So, we got C with A, C with A, C with O, C with G, C with S. Same wise B with A, B with O, B with G, B with S. L with A, L with O, L with G, L with S. Okay. This is the important definition. For making cross product, we need two empty sets. If any one of the set is null, we can't make a combination. So see the definition. If A and B are two non-empty sets, then the set of all ordered pairs A and B such that A belongs to A, B belongs to capital B is called the Cartesian product of A and B. And it can be denoted by A cross B, already we know. How they are representing here? A cross B is equals to set bracket A comma B, because we are taking one element from A and another element from the B set. So both such that A belongs to A where B belongs to B. And also they are giving one important statement: A cross null set will make a null set. Just think, one set contains some fruit, another set contains nothing. So how do we make a combination here? We can't make, no. So it will produce a null set. Note. Learning note will make you more perfect in the math subject. It will help you to do your sums in efficient way. Here are 4 notes. We will see the note 1. A cross product of B is the set of all possible ordered pairs between the elements of A and B such that the first coordinate is an element of A and the second coordinate is the element of B. In first note, they have given how to represent the cross product. Okay. Note 2. By replacing B in the place of A, we will get the second note. Note 3. At which time set A is equals to B if both the set is having the same value. So the note 3 describes about it. Let's see one illustration. A contains 1, 2, 3 and B contains AB. So totally how many possible ways we get here? 3 cross 2 is 6. This is A, first object, 1 with A, this 1 with B. 2 with A, 2 with B, 3 with A, 3 with B. Here we got 6 combination. Likewise, we got the answer for B cross A. Is both are looking similar? No. Why? Because it contains some value, it is not similar. Okay, we will see the note. This is very important. A cross B is equals to B cross A, but N of A, it is not equal. A cross B is not equal to B cross A. We have seen one example, no? From that, we will know N of A cross B is equals to N of B cross A. When will we get the null set? If any one of the set contains zero objects means we will get a null set. The third note is very important, oftenly asked in exams. N of A is equals to P, N of B is equals to Q. So how to find N of A cross B? They'll ask like this. We should know multiplication of these two. We will get answer EQ. Okay. See, just recall this. Natural number starts from 1. Natural number starts from 1. Whole number starts from 0. Integer starts from, it has contained both positive and negative values, addition with 0, and rational numbers are in the form of P by Q form, but Q is not equals to 0. Q not equal to 0. We will see the progress check. Non-empty sets A and B. A cross B is called the cross product of AB. It is called the Cartesian product. We should write a Cartesian product. If n of AB is equals to 20, n of A is 5. So what is n of B? It should be 4. Here we see how do we find. This is the note. Important formula. This is n of A cross B is equals to n of A cross n of B. We will just substitute what we have. 20. N of A is 5. The remaining thing n of B. This will have to be find now. So we will keep it in a left hand side. So 20, it will go in a division symbol. By simplifying this, we will get the answer 4. So the answer is n of B is equals to 4. See the third question. A contains -1 and +1. B contains -1 and +1. So what are the subset objects? -1 with -1, -1 with 1, 1 with -1, and 1 with 1. Moving to the fourth question. If A cross B is equals to A cross B is or the line segment given by the interval this, find A cross B. So we will easily find the interval -4 with -2, same -4 with 3, 3 with -2, the same 3 with 3. See the activity n here. X belongs to natural number. Natural number starts from 1. They have given a less than x less than or equal to 4. So we should include this 4 also. So then A set has contained 1, 2, 3, 4. B also belongs to natural numbers. It is less than 3. So we can take 1 and 2 as a objects here. Finding A cross B and B crosses won't be equal because the elements on A and B even itself it is not equal. Example 1.1. If A is equals to 1, 3, 5, B is equals to 2 and 3, then find A cross B and B cross A. What is A? A is equals to 1, 3, 5 and B is equals to 2 with 3. How to find A cross B? Is 1. This 1 with 2, the same 1 with 3. This 3 with 2, same 3 with 3. And This 5 with 2, the same 5 with 3. For finding these things, we will get an answer as 1 with 2, 1 with 3, 3 with 2, 3 with 3, 5 with 2, 5 with 3. How to find B cross A? Writing first elements of B cross this elements of A. So finding combinations 2 with 1, the same 2 with 3, 2 with 5, 3 with 1, 3 with 3, this 3 with 5. See, see the equation. We are writing A cross B as equation 1 and B cross A as a equation 2. From equation 1 and 2, is both are looking similar? No. So it is not A cross B is not equal to B cross A. And see the how many elements in A? 1, 2, 3. 3 elements. In B, we are having number of elements as 2. 2 and 3. So from 1 and 2, we had conclude if n of A cross B is equals to n of B cross A is equals to 6. The number of ordered pairs are equal, but the set is not equal. Okay. N of A cross B is equals to n of B cross A is equals to n of A, number of elements in A, and number of elements in B, which is equals to 6. N of A cross B is equals to n of B cross A is equals to n of A cross n of A cross n of B. This is the important statement we will use for our one words. Okay. Write it in your note and box it. It is very important statement. Example 2. If A cross B is equals to 3 with 2, 3 with 4, 5 with 2, and 5 with 4, then find A and B. In this question, they have given an answer, and we are going to find the elements in set A and elements in set B. So A cross B, we will get as 3 with 2. So 3 with 4, 5 with 2, 5 with 4. In A set of all first coordinates of elements A cross B. So what are the first elements? We should avoid the repeated elements. Oh, see 3, we are writing 3 here. 3 is repeated again, so we should leave out it. 5, okay, writing 5. So number of elements in A is 2. By writing the second element, second coordinates of the element is 2 and 4. Same things are repeated here. So we can write B as 2 with 4. So we can find A is equals to 3, 5 and B is equals to 2, 4. We will go to the next example. Example 1.3. Let A is equals to x belongs to n. N is the natural number. Natural number starts from 1. So x belongs to natural number. It will start from 1 till infinity. So here they have given a limit of x. It will be in between 1 to 4. So what are the numbers between 1 and 4? After 1 is 2 and 3. We should not take the 4. Next, how do we define B? B is equals to x belongs to W. W means whole number. So in a limit of 0 less than or equal to x less than 2. And C is equals to x belongs to n such that x is less than 3. So we should find the numbers for A. First writing the A element. A is equals to we found no 2 and 3. B here B 0. How do we define B here? The number will start from 0 less than or equal to x. So we should take 0 also, and less than 2 is 1. We should not take 2 here, because if they have given us less than or equal to symbol 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 2 means we should take this 2. There is no representation of not equal, no, so we should not take that less than symbol here. Third on finding C. X belongs to n, here x less than C, less than 3. So natural numbers always start from 1, 1, 2, and here is less than 3. So we should stop here. Now we have to find the values for A, B, and C. So we can easily find the answer for the following things. First thing is A cross B union C. If they given the question as this means, we should go for the big mass technique. First, always we should find the answer for the bracket. So for finding B union C, we will get the answer this. So A cross B union C, we will get the answer these things. I'm not saying elaborately. I will elaborate the answer for the exercise sums. You just see and make a, you just solve this sum and make a, try to get this answer. 2 cross. I'm not going to say elaborately all the elements which are present in the sum. You just try, and if you just try and get the answer. In exercise sums, I will teach each and every numbers of these questions. Okay, A cross B and A cross C. Union, finding union of these things. So union means we should write all those things, add end of all those things, is it? So 2 comma 0, 2 comma 0 with the 2 comma 1, 2 comma 1, 3 comma 0 with the 3 comma 1. 2 comma 1 already present, we should avoid this. 2 comma 2, 3 comma 1 already present, and 3 comma 2. So finding answer for this, we will get as this is the answer. This is our equation 2. So by seeing equation 1 and 2, is it looking similar? Yes, so the answer is verified. Now go to the second question. A cross B intersection C is equals to A cross B intersection A cross C. So first of all, we should find answer for A intersection B. Intersection means common things in set A and B. What are the common things here? In set B and C, 1 is a common thing. And we should find the answer for A cross B intersection C. This is our answer. The left side is over now. See the right side. A intersection B, sorry. See the right side, A cross B intersection A cross C. So first we should find the answer for A cross B. And we should need to find answer for B cross. First we need to find answer for A cross B. And we need to find answer for second. We need to find answer for A cross C. In those sets, what are the common things are present we should find? We should find the common things which are present in these two sets. Finally, we should write it here. That is our equation 4. By seeing equation 3 and 4, the answers are looking similar, so this is verified. The above two verified properties is called distributive property of Cartesian products. over union and intersection respectively. Going to deal with Cartesian product of three sets. So, triplets. Ordered, it is called as ordered triplets. A cross, A cross, B cross, C is a set of A, B, C. For all A belongs to A, B belongs to B, and C belongs to C. A has contained 0, 1. Geometric representation of the set. A contains 0 and 1, B contains 0, 1, C contains the same element as 0 and 1. How do we represent 0 with 1, 0 with 1, C which contains 0 with 1, into if it is a 2 set A cross B, we can easily represent in this form. So we'll find a combination of these elements. So it will make a cubic structure, cubic 3-dimension. Cartesian product of two non-empty sets provides a shape into 2-dimension, and Cartesian product of three non-empty sets will make a 3D image. This is the 3D cubic image. Okay, let me see exercise number 1.1. Find A cross B, A cross A, and B cross A. So first, how do we find A cross B? We should write A set, set B, and we should make a combination. This 2 with 1, the same 2 with minus 4. This minus 2 with 1, minus 2 with minus 4. And 3 with 1, 3 with. So totally we get 6 combinations. Likewise, we can find A cross here. So same elements are presenting here because of A cross A. This 2 with the 2, same 2 with minus 2, and 3. Minus 2 with 2, minus 2 with minus 2, minus 2 with 3. This 3 with 2, 3 with minus 2, 3 with 3. Totally 6 combination we got. To find out B cross A, we should write the first bit, that is B 1 comma minus 4, and second set A. Doing the same process, we will get a 6 combination of B cross A. See the second sum. A is equals to B is equals to P and Q. So same elements are presenting here. So number of elements and the final answer will be same for this. A cross B. So writing A cross B, PQ with same PQ. So how do we find this? This P with the Q, the same P with P. Sorry, this P with P, the P with Q. This Q with P, Q with Q. By doing the same process, we will get these 3 answers as the same, because the given question is A is equals to B is equals to PQ. Going to the third sum, A is equal to M and N, B is null set. If any one of the set is null, what is the answer? The whole answer is also a null. This is one of the note. We had learned it in this video. Let A is equals to 1, 2, 3. B is equals to X such that X is a prime number less than 10. Find A cross B. and also B cross A. So the sum is so easy. The only thing is, how do we find the prime number less than 10? What is the prime number? A number divisible by 1 in itself is called a prime number. So 1 is prime or composite. 1 is neither prime nor composite. So less than 10 means 2 is the only even number, even prime number. 2 is the only number as a even prime number. Let's take 2 as a prime number less than 10. 3 also prime number because 3 is divisible by 3 and 1. 4, we should not take 4 because it will get divisible by 2 also. 5 is the prime number and 7. So the prime number less than 10 are 2, 3, 5 and 7. I have taken this. Now we know how to do A cross B and break B cross A. Do by yourself and check the answers. See the next sum. If B cross A is this, find A and B. Very simple thing. By making the two circles, we can make it. Number of elements are 6. So one of the set contains 3 elements and the another set contains 2 elements. So we can give a space for that, and writing these things we will get the answer because -2 is present here. So I have written here, and then 0 and 3, and then the side 3, 4, 3, 4 are repeated again and again. So 3 and 4 is the element here. I'm going to the fourth sum. If A is equals to 5, 6, B is equal to 4, 5, 6, C is equal to 5, 6, 7, show that A cross A equal to B cross B intersection C cross B. So first we should find A cross A. A has contains 2 elements. So 2 cross 2 is equals to, we will get 4 elements for A cross A. For B cross B, for B it has contained 3 elements. So 3 cross 3, totally we will get 9 elements here. For C also we will get 9 elements. Now we need to find the intersection of B cross B and C cross C. So what are the common things are present in these two things? 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 5, 6, 6. Check these things with the A, both the same. So the given thing is the correct statement. For the next sum, A intersection C is equal to 3. B intersection C, A intersection C is equal to 3. B intersection B is equal to 3, 5. So by doing the cross product of these two things, we will get 3 with 3 and 3 with 5. How do we find A cross B? Writing A and B, we will get this is the element 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 5, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 5, 3, 2, 3, 3 and 3, 5. Cross product of C and D, you just do by yourself and check the answers with me. 3, 1, 3, 3, 3, 5, 4, 1, 4, 3 and 4, 5. Intersection of these two things, what? 3, 3 and 3, 5. So the given statement is, go to the sixth sum. Okay, let me write A is equals to 0, 1, B is equals to 2, 3, 4. C is equals to 3, 5. How do we find B union C? Writing in additive, we will get 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is B union C. A cross B union C. A has contained 2 elements. B union C contained 4 elements. 2 cross 4 is 8. So this has contained 8 elements. Do by yourself and check the answers with me. Find A cross B, A cross C, and union of these two things we will get this as the answer. So hence the given statement is true. B intersection C is 3. A cross B intersection C is 0, 3 and 1, 3. So A cross B, we have to find A cross B and A cross C. Intersection of these two things we will get this is the answer, hence true.